What's up peeps, this is Todd and welcome back to my show. In today's video, I'm going to show you a foolproof way to save your first $100,000. If that sounds good, let's hop into the video. So in this video, I have to basically just take industry averages. I know that for your unique situation, some of these averages may not apply. For example, if you're living in New York City and you're able to cut out your monthly rent expense, you might be saving $3,000 to $4,000 per month. However, if you currently live in the Midwest and you're able to cut out your rent payment, you're probably saving a lot less than $3,000 to $4,000 a month. It's still a great idea to live for free, but you're not saving quite as much as someone who's able to offset their rent or mortgage in New York City. But that is the first way in order to save $100,000. If you own a house hack, and if you do not own a house, rent hack. If you own a house, get some roommates that you like and that you trust and charge enough rent per room so that that monthly rent that you collect is greater than your monthly mortgage payment. Now, if you are currently renting, instead of renting an apartment, go rent an actual house and then lease out the extra bedrooms in that house. Make sure to price each bedroom so that it amounts to more than what your rent is to your landlord. So the average American pays $784 per month in rent. So what you want to do is completely offset that rent payment. So you're no longer paying $784 per month, and the rent that you're collecting from your roommates, after you pay your landlord, you have $200 per month in cash flow. That is what you want to go for here. So basically what that looks like is if you're no longer paying rent, and again, we're just going to go off the average rent of $784, you no longer have that rent expense, plus you're making $200 in cash flow from your roommates. What that means to you is that is a $984 difference because you no longer have that $784 expense and you're making an extra $200 a month. That equates to $984 or over $11,800 per year. Now, once you are house hacking and you're living for free, or you're rent hacking and you're living for free, plus you're making a couple $100 in cash flow, the next thing you want to do in order to save your first $100,000 is sign up to be a secret shopper. I don't want to be too much of a broken record here, but secret shopping is an amazing way to save money. It's also a great way to get free food and entertainment. Now, I have an entire playlist on my channel about different secret shopping companies and tutorials about how to start up, so I'm not going to go over in great detail about how to do all of that because I have videos explaining all of that stuff. But basically, in a nutshell, secret shopping is a way that businesses pay you to go use their products and services, and then you evaluate those products or service and you get reimbursed, plus you get paid. Now, in addition to going to restaurants and getting paid to go there, and movie theaters and concert tickets and coffee, whatever you guys spend money on, in addition to getting all of that for free, you can actually make in profit around $500 per month, so about $6,000 per year in pure profit, plus all of that free stuff. So as a quick example, the average American spends $3,000 per year dining out. Now, if you sign up to become a mystery shopper, you can still go out to eat, but as long as you do these mystery shops at the restaurants that you can get assigned to, you're going to be reimbursed for every restaurant that you go to. So instead of spending $3,000 per year on restaurants, you're going to get that for free. You're going to spend $0 and you're going to get free food. Now, what's crazy is the average American, especially millennials, which is probably most of you guys watching my videos are probably in my generation. Some of you aren't, but most of you are. On average, millennials spend over $2,000 per year on coffee. And again, if you sign up to be a mystery shopper, you can get all your coffee for free, plus you can actually get paid to drink that coffee. So instead of spending $2,000 per year on lattes, you can be getting those lattes for free. And finally, Americans spend about $650 per year on movie tickets, concert tickets, and sporting events. And yes, you guessed it, if you sign up to be a mystery shopper, you can go to movies for free, you can go to concerts for free. I have seen secret shops to Taylor Swift concerts, Beyonce concerts, NFL games, soccer games, and it's crazy. You literally get those tickets for free, you get great seats, you get your concessions paid for, and you get paid a little bit of profit on the top. So now, by becoming a secret shopper, if you start getting your food and entertainment for free, you'll save an average of $3,000 per year on food. You'll save an average of $2,000 per year on coffee, so up to $5,000 in savings. And you'll save an average of $650 on movies, concerts, and sporting events. So basically, that means you can save $5,650 per year just by getting your food and entertainment for free. But wait, there's more, because you're also going to be making a profit on these secret shops of on average about $500 per month, depending on how many shops you do. So in addition to saving an average of $5,650 per year, you're also going to make in profit $5,000 per year. So that means that that difference to you will be an extra $10,650 per year. So now if you add all this up, you become a secret shopper to get your food and entertainment for free, plus you make $5,000 a year in profit. That equates to an additional $10,650 per year in your pocket because you're not spending money on food and entertainment, plus you're making that profit. But you're also house hacking and living for free, meaning you're not spending $784 a month on rent, and you're instead collecting an additional $200 a month from your roommates. And when you add up what you're not spending in rent plus what you're collecting, that equated to about $11,800 per year. That means that you guys are saving $22,450 per year just by rent hacking and by only going out to eat or entertainment if you have a secret shop to pay for it. And the third way to help you guys save your first $100,000 is to flip products. You can go to garage sales or to Goodwill or even to Walmart and buy products for super cheap and then flip them on Amazon and sell them for a profit. A beginner with no experience can make about $500 in profit per month doing this. $500 per month adds up to $6,000 per year in profit that you can make from flipping different products. And if you add that to the $22,450 that you're already saving because you're rent hacking, you're secret shopping, and you're making a profit on both of those things as well, that means that you're saving $28,450 per year just by doing those three things: rent hacking, secret shopping, and thrift store flipping. Now, at the rate of saving $28,450 per year, you will save your first $100,000 in 3 years and 6 months. Now remember, with this scenario, we didn't do anything crazy. We didn't get a second job. We weren't investing in any volatile assets like cryptocurrency or NFTs. There are other things, of course, you can do like Turo or any other side hustle. But these are 3 very easy ways to save a big chunk of money. And if you're consistent and you do it for about 3.5 years, you will save your first $100,000. Well, I hope this video is helpful to you, and I'll see you at the next one. Peace.